Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and welcome back to our socket series. So we're really looking at networking, and we're going to be using the socket module. So before we really get into it, so we need to talk about something. I talked about ports and sockets, but we really need to talk about servers and clients. So what we're going to be making is we're going to be making a Echo server and a Echo client. So I'm sure you've heard of the term server, but you may not have heard of the term client. So let's just address that right now. So the server is where you go, and the client is you or another computer waiting to get information from the server. So, all right. So now that we got that out of the way, we need to talk about the socket object. So I've already run help on this, and as you can see, socket is not a function. It is a class, so it's an object. So it's going to have methods associated with it. So we need to be prepared to see accept, then bind, and then there we go, and then connect, and then also listen. But we can also use accept because it could be waiting on. We could need this again because the server could be having more clients. I mean, I always really kind of try to just wrap my head around how many ports are available for Google. I can't even begin to fathom. So real quick video today, but like I said, we're going to be using the Echo. We're going to be creating an Echo server and a Echo client program to really see how all these things work. But we're going to go slow, and we're going to really address and fill in the gaps, because next video we're going to be talking about that right here, family and type, because a lot of other videos just kind of jump into it and don't talk about it. So we are going to be doing that next video. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.